Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Google Chrome browser. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, I have some bookmarks on Google Chrome, as you can see here. And how to export these bookmarks uh, in Google Chrome browser. It's very easy. Just click here, as you can see, top right corner, and click bookmarks. As you can see, this one, bookmark and list, and choose bookmark manager, as you can see here. Okay. Uh, the, this is the list of bookmarks, and you should just click on three dots again, and as you can see here, we have export bookmark where you want to save. I'm going to save, for example, on my desktop, and yeah, on my desktop I will choose, then click save. Yeah, that's how you can export bookmark on Google Chrome, as you can see. And in the next video I will show you how to import these bookmarks in Google Chrome. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.